Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME GT 60 and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To do that, open Settings application, scroll down and choose Additional Settings, and hit Accessibility, and now we tap on our vision, where we have our magnification selection, and we must turn on it by switch on, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut magnification. To zoom our screen, press on it and tap on screen. You can also change position of your zoom using two fingers. To swipe out, you can also zoom on or zoom out, but when you use only one finger, you can only go up and down. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.